Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities, and countries, and you want to learn how to create Geera pork Trinbago style, then I insist that you continue watching. This channel is for you. But before jumping into today's video, I would like for you to please take this time to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment. Now let's get into this video. Our ingredients are black pepper, shadow beni, celery and chive, pimento, Geera or cumin powder, coconut oil, ginger, salt, my pork of course, fine thyme. I have here my onion and my garlic. I'm using 1 hot pepper, the perfect seasoning, allspice, scorpion pepper by Shams. Guys, you need to check this out. Give it a try because it's really good. Not only is it really spicy, it's really flavorful. So these are our ingredients, and now let's get to seasoning. So I have my pork here, and to this I'm adding some salt, and the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so check it out guys. And then I'm going to add my black pepper, and you want to put everything here to taste. You always want to tweak, add or take out as needed. I have my garlic and my onion. You also want to make a recipe your own, so you just be creative and do what you think is right. My shadow beni. And all these seasonings, all these aromatics come together to make our local green seasoning. My chive and my celery. Normally we blend it, but I'm chopping it today. My pimento. You can grind it if you feel to. And my ginger. I'm using fresh ginger. You can use ginger powder if you don't have the fresh one. Some allspice. Some clove will go really good in here as well. The perfect seasoning. My Geera powder. You want to put some in the seasoning of the meat as well. Some thyme. And guys, if you don't like spice, please omit it. It is not a must-have, but for me it is because I'm the pepper queen. Call me pepper boss. When I ask for pepper, I say give me a running nose. If it's not running, you don't have enough pepper for me. So you just want to tumble this all up now. Give it a nice mix. Set it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or overnight if you choose to. And then we're going to the pot. So I'm here at the pot. And to this I'm adding my coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil because it adds so much more flavor than regular vegetable oil. I'm also adding my garlic in here that I'm going to chunk here. I'm using 4 cloves. You can use as much as you want, or you don't have to use any garlic at all. So I'm just going to chunk it slightly a bit, just saute it a bit to bring out those flavors. Yeah. Now people, we're going to add our Geera powder now. Some people like their Geera pork light in color. I like mine dark. Mine dark. So I'm just going to combine this in here really good, making sure that the pork is well coated in my Geera mixture. So now I'm going to add some water in here, as I'm going to slow cook today. If you don't have the time, the pressure cooker is fine, but I'm slow cooking. So I'm just going to add more water, and then I'm going to cover this and let it cook, and then I'll be back. So this pork has been going for a while, but it's still not where I need it to be, and water has been added as needed along the way. I'm adding my hot pepper in here, and now I'm going to cover it back and let it go some more. So my Geera pork is going down, and it's almost where it needs to be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my last touches of flavoring. And sorry for the little shake and tumble with the camera, guys. So here I'm putting my pimento. I'm using 4 pimento. Flavor pepper, as it may be called, or seasoning pepper. My fine thyme. And just the remaining of the aromatics that we used earlier on in the video. I'm just adding that to the pot as well. If you don't have any remaining, you can just chop up some more, you know. Let me just adjust my light. Right, that's better. You guys can see clearly into this pot now. And then I'm going to use some salt butter. For my other viewers that's watching from other Caribbean islands, I know you all call it Dove there. Use your Dove in here. I'm going to use the perfect seasoning, and then I'm going to let that all marry. So, our Geera pork is where it needs to be. Now, you don't want this to be a runny Geera. We're not making stew pork and dumpling, okay? We're making Geera pork. Cutters, bar food, lime food, yes. So if you're having a lime, try this. Your recipe gonna be the talk of the show. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share, comment, subscribe, tell your friends and family so that you too can push this video out so that others can view my content as well. Thank you again for all your support, guys. Bye.